Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, dear. Yes.
Okay, Divya, please go ahead.
Okay. A very good morning to all of you who tuned in to witness the grand opening ceremony of HR College's National Intercollegiate Literary Arts Festival, the HR Lit Fest 2020. We believe literary arts is all about ideation, expression, creation, and innovation. Our goal is to contribute and render voices to this field, increase its appreciation as well as impact. This year has proven to be a roadblock for a lot of activities owing to the worldwide pandemic. But HR College has used this to its advantage as we go digital and bigger than ever. This time, we have decided to go national as we have contingents from major cities of India participating and competing zealously to showcase their literary prowess. This festival will include events which test the creative, poetic, dramatic, as well as public speaking skills of the participants. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to the opening ceremony of HR LitFest 2020. I would now request all our audience members to kindly stand up for the national anthem. Roma, kindly play it.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
Roma.
Roma, I
Explain
some kind of a technical issue. Can we have Palak play the thing?
Yes.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. For a good start, we always take blessings from Lord Ganesha, and so I would like to present to you Ganesh Vandana. Can we have Palak play the same, please?
पसा पसा गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि अजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि अजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
I would like to introduce our audience to our pillar of strength, the professor in charge of HR Speaks, Ms. Shweta Singh. Shweta ma'am binds the HR Speaks team together, helping us take every step cautiously yet passionately. I would now request Shweta ma'am to say a few words to our audience.
Thank you so much, Kashish. A very warm welcome to our respected principal, vice principal, faculty members, and participants from various colleges across the cities. HR Speaks, the official monthly magazine of HR College, has promoted this platform for all the literature enthusiasts to showcase their literary progress. We are grateful to have an esteemed panel of judges who are judging various events in the span of 2 days. We are very, very happy to have our principal, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, with us, who have always encouraged us, especially for this online monthly, online national level event and national level fest. I take this opportunity to introduce our principal, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani. She has been actively working towards the growth and development of the college for more than 20 years now. She is the head of Department of Commerce and also a member of Board of Studies in Business Management. Dr. Ramchandani is the Dean of Commerce and Management in the HSNC University. She is a recognized guide for the Doctor of Philosophy in the subject of commerce. Her motto in life is to create responsible student leaders who bring positive change to the society. She is a firm believer that there is no alternative to hard work for achieving success and excellence. And all that really inspires us, ma'am. So, ma'am, would request you and invite you to please address the audience and sports.
Thank you, Geeta. And a warm welcome on behalf of HR College to all the participants to this unusual, unique event, which is called HR Lit Fest. A concept that came out from a magazine of HR College, which is HP. They make sure that they record all the events in a month and publish it in a form of an online magazine. And this was a unique thing that they came out, which is we are a commerce college, and they say we do not have a connection with literature or literary fest. And HR Speaks as a team, which is headed by our mentor, Professor Shweta Singh, came up with this unusual event. And looking at the success of last year, last year they were on a state level. But this year they decided that despite we are sitting at home and we are facing this pandemic, let's go national. And the efforts that this team has taken over a past 1.5 months of inviting all the major colleges across the country. I mean, the phenomenal success that I was checking with Shweta is more than 15 colleges have come from all over the country and will be participating in these 2 days of event of HR Literary Fest. And I wish all the best to all the participants who have come in. My special mention of HR Speaks team and Professor Shweta, who have been working behind the scenes to make this event, even if it is online, a successful event. My best wishes for this program, and I declare HR Lit Fest open, and hearty best wishes to all the participants. And I would say, may the best win. And in these 2 days, you will experience what HR is all about, an event that is being handled by students for the students. So you will also see my students working behind the scene, of course, with my professor. But this is what HR believes in, empowering students to do an entire event of 2 days, 3 days, where they coordinate with students, participants, and may the 2 days of this create newer and newer memories of HR College in your hearts. And with these few words, I declare HR Lit Fest open, and best wishes to the entire team of my dear brand ambassadors and my professor who will take this event forward for the next 2 days. Again, a warm welcome to HR College and all the best for the events. Over to you,
Thank
Shweta.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Can we have an official curtain raiser with your permission, ma'am? And since you have already declared this event open, can
Yes,
we
dear.
have a curtain
Yes.
raiser open, please?
Yes,
Okay,
dear.
who's saying it?
Let's open this event with the official curtain raiser. All the best to entire team. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would now like to share with our audience a glimpse of activities conducted at HR College through a small video. Can we have Palak do the same?
the official monthly magazine of HR College. Started in 2018, it provides the young and amateur writers of our college a platform to showcase their contentive and creative writing, which gives them the much needed confidence in their skill. With over 35 issues and a reach of more than 6,000 students, our team has consistently tried to bring forward interesting, eye opening, and socially relevant articles which have left our readers to think more and more. Our magazine and team work diligently to raise awareness against social stigmas like mental health awareness. I would now like to request my team member to play a short video summing up everything we do at HRC.
I would now like
HR
Shweta ma'am
Litfest,
to. Okay, Kashish, go ahead.
HR Litfest couldn't have been possible without our generous sponsors, whom we loved collaborating with. We appreciate and acknowledge their tremendous collaboration and assistance in making HR Litfest even grander. Our sponsors are the Alcoff Publishers, Publishing Partner, the Bombay Food Company, Food Partner, Ocean, our beverage partner, No Escape, gaming partner, and Cosmetics, our grooming partner.
I would now like Shweta ma'am to say a few things about HR Litfest and then we can have the logo reveal.
Okay, thank you, Divya. From the time when it was founded in 2018, HR Speaks has evolved from being a platform for the students to share their memories and experiences through the monthly magazine and Let's Talk campaign to a community that promotes message of growth, healing, personal transformation, and mental health through inspirational stories. In 2019, HR Speaks organized the first edition of HR Lit Fest to give an opportunity to all the budding writers across Mumbai to enhance and showcase their literary skills. HR Lit Fest 2019 was a perfect balance of fun games with cutthroat competition, which was judged by experienced poets, judges, singers, and actors. This year, HR Speaks is taking HR Lit Fest to a higher level by making it digital and national with participations ranging across India. Now, I would like to take this pleasure of officially revealing the logo of HR Lit Fest. Can we do the needful, please?
for a cause. For this pre-event, our contingents had to prepare a 1-minute video with their own creativity, highlighting the relevant social cause prevalent in our country. Before I reveal the winners, I'd like to congratulate all the creative minds behind all the entries we received. They truly represented the spirit of our generation, wanting to make a positive and long-lasting change in the society. You can always visit on Instagram at HR Litfest to watch all the videos. So let's start with the winners of the intercollegiate contingents. Okay. We have 3 winners for the intercollegiate pre-event. And the second runner-up is, any guesses? Can we have someone in the people in the chat box writing? Okay. It is Leprechaun. Team Leprechaun. You all can send in your reactions and we would love to see some engagements in the chat box, please. The first runner-up of the pre-event Play and Pause for a Cause is Yeti. And the winner of the pre-event is Team Imp. Congratulations to all the 3 winners. You had performed great. Now we will have the videos of these 3 winning entries. All right. Can we have the video played? Leprechaun first, please.
We all know the insane amounts of pollution in India. Instead of using scary stats, we decided to use ads as a measure. Like this.
Electric airplane isn't necessary right now. Electric cars are important.
We need
Solar
some sort
energy
of-
is important. Stationary storage of energy is important. These things are much more important than creating electric supersonic VTOL.
But those are just images. How can you use them as a measure?
Thank you. Can we have the video of Team Yeti?
The only journey is the journey, and the destination is just a part of it. Because you can have everything that you once wished for and still seek for more somehow. But the thing is, it lies within. Happiness lies within. So when you turn into a part of the chaos, the virtual and the one in which we live, and it makes you doubt yourself and wonder if you're okay, just remember that you're amazing. So when your thoughts start swirling around your soul, talk to the ones who are close to you and to yourself. And when you do, remember that they love you, you're precious, and love yourself a bit more along with that.
The peace that you carry within is the one that gives you the happiness. Don't lose yourself in this chaos, but find the peace within.
Thank you. Now, finally, can we have the video of the winner, Imp? Team Imp.
Remember this? This is your childhood. Learning new things, messing around in school, having fun with your friends. Unfortunately, not every childhood is like this. you think these children deserve to have the same childhood that you had? Every child that is not in school is a potential child laborer. Help put every child in school. Ensure their future. Give the child back its childhood.
Thank you. Heartiest congratulations to all the 3 winners of the intercollegiate contingents. Let's move on to the winners of the intercollegiate contingents. We have 2 winners over here, and the runner-up is Team Centaur. Made by Muskan, Bhargavi, Dripti, Shalini, and Tisha. Congratulations, Team Centaur. The winner of the pre-event Play and Pause is Team Unicorn. Congratulations to the winners. Can we have the videos, please? Let us have the video of the runner-up first. Congratulations, Team Centaur. Can we have the video of the winning contingent, Team Unicorn?
Hey Arman, is that makeup on your table?
Oh dude, what a homo! Bro. As soon as your sister got married, are you the papa ki pari now?
Damn!
Bro, दोस्ताना 2 की शूटिंग कर रहा था क्या?
Arman, yellow t-shirt, that's so gay, you.
ए अरमान, एक बार करके दिखा ना.
Congratulations to the 2 winners of the club contingents. On behalf of Team HR Speaks, I would like to express my gratitude towards our dear principal, Dr. Pooja Ramsundani, our vice principal, Mr. Naveen Punjabi, faculty members of HR College, and Shweta ma'am for gracing the opening ceremony. I would also like to thank all the audience members and the participants for attending the inaugural ceremony of our much-awaited HR Lit Fest. I would like to add that winning is not everything, yet wanting to win is all about pushing forward. Good luck and best wishes to all the participants. Lastly, I would like to thank all the organizers and volunteers for HR Lit Fest. We couldn't have pulled off this fest without the hard work and dedication of my HODs, team, HR Speaks, and the organizing team of HR Lit Fest, who have worked tirelessly from day one to make today a reality. I hope that we carry on for the 2 days and 6 events as smoothly as we planned and enjoy the process as well. Thank you, everyone. Ma'am, can we?
Yes, ma'am is there.
No, ma'am, she is not there.
She's not there.
The ma'am is left.
Thanks, all the best to all the participants, and see you all in the span of 2 days. All the best to everyone.
Thank you, everyone, for attending the meet. Now we formally end the meeting. Can we end the meeting, please?